Hello and welcome to my 3-minute summary video on my digital portfolio. My topic was intersecting of ductwork and pipework. Intersecting of ductwork and pipework is located in the surface geometry section. I will be discussing my key takeaways from my exploration of the topic. First, what was interesting about the topic is how it links to the other subject areas like project maths, engineering and woodwork. Intersecting ductwork and pipework relates a lot to developments, which is seen when developing shapes in the project maths class. Next was my exploration of stimulating students' interest, which showed me that there are many great ways to stimulate student interest in the classroom. Not all classes have to be boring, and we are lucky with technical graphics that we can explore all these great mind-stimulating options. The main key takeaways of the portfolio would be the key principles. If students did know how or when to utilise these, they wouldn't be able to solve a surface geometry intersecting ductwork and pipework question, so it is very important they understand. The key principles are orthographic projection, auxiliary views, dividing a circle into equal parts, finding a true length of a line, and developments. Another key takeaway would be in the anticipated difficulty section. Visualization is a problem for many students in tech craft class and often lose interest because of it. A solution would be for students to work on it by using Developing Spatial Thinking workbook. I found resource development linked closely to stimulating student learning interest section, as that is really what we do when developing resources to help students. A key takeaway would be how and when we use the resource in class, as it plays a very important. A final key takeaway would be how much I learned about the topic and a great insight I got by exploring intersecting ductwork and pipework over the course of the last few weeks.